Artificial intelligence AI has a wide range of applications and can be utilized in various fields. Here are some common use cases for AI. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing human error. It can be applied in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and customer support. Data analysis. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of data quickly and extract valuable insights. This is particularly useful in fields like finance, healthcare, marketing, and cybersecurity. Natural language processing (NLP). AI-powered NLP enables machines to understand and generate human language. It is used in applications like chatbots, virtual assistants, voice recognition systems, and language translation tools. Image and video recognition. AI algorithms can analyze and interpret visual data, enabling applications like facial recognition, object detection, content moderation, and autonomous vehicles. Recommendation systems. AI algorithms can analyze user preferences and behavior to provide personalized recommendations. This is commonly seen in online shopping platforms, streaming services, and social media. Healthcare diagnostics. AI can assist in diagnosing diseases and interpreting medical images, helping doctors make more accurate and timely decisions. It can also be used for drug discovery and genomics research. Fraud detection. AI can identify patterns and anomalies in financial transactions, helping detect fraudulent activities and improving security measures. Autonomous systems. AI is a key technology in the development of autonomous vehicles, drones, and robotics. These systems rely on AI algorithms to perceive the environment and make real-time decisions. Personalized education. AI can provide customized learning experiences based on individual needs and learning styles. It can adapt the content, pace, and difficulty level to optimize learning outcomes. Virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR). AI can enhance VR and AR experiences by enabling realistic simulations, object recognition, and interaction with virtual elements. It's important to note that AI is a rapidly advancing field, and new applications and possibilities are continuously being explored and developed. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.